Office subject. What is the urgency, sir?
Sir,
Copy ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ?
I've served it on the yesterday itself, Your Lordship, to the prosecution.
When you're moving at 2:30, you should get the papers here. Where POCSO?
Your Lordship, I'm provisions of ITP, immoral trafficking prohibition, POCSO and criminal conspiracy is involved, Your Lordship.
Why have you moved the matter, sir?
Kindly turn to page number 21, Your Lordship. The urgency is that it's posted for framing of charges.
Correct.
Page number 21, Your Lordship. 10 FIRs, Your Lordship, by 2 victims. Now, it is the case of the prosecution that the petitioners are running.
All 10 are on the stage of framing of charges?
Yes, Your Lordship. Everything on the same date for framing of charges.
Unless they look into it, enu madakara.
We kindly have it on the 17th, Your Lordship. That's the case.
18th, give all the papers. Offenses appear to be horrendous. Just look into it.
Your Lordship, the contention is not to quash anything, Your Lordship. The thing is that all the offenses are arising out of the same incident, of the same date. It's just that the customers, Your Lordship, as soon as there are various customers involved in this brothel, so the victim girl talks about the subsequent customers later on after initially filing the FIR. Initially, once she files the FIR, kindly turn to page number 21, Your Lordship. This is summarized in just 5 minutes. 3rd February 2022, that is the crime number 8 of 22. That is the first FIR filed.
Victim is from Syria?
No, Your Lordship.
Then?
The victim is from Chikmagalur.
Chikmagalur.
Red petition 22894.
How old is the victim?
The victim is 16 years old, Your Lordship.
And you were running a prostitution racket?
The allegation of the prosecution, Your Lordship.
Allegation of prostitution using a 16-year-old girl for the purpose of prostitution.
My prayer may be looked into, Your Lordship. I'm not asking for a quash. What I'm seeking is that the FIR initially filed against me and Your Lordship. That's the 5 petitioners. Subsequently, she brings about new facts to the FIR, to the police, Your Lordship, which is entirely covered under 162 of CRPC, Your Lordship. The police ought to have taken those statements as additional information for the first FIR. Subsequently, rather than doing that, Your Lordship, the police file FIRs and subsequently file 10 charge sheets. The only difference in all the other 9 subsequent 9 charge sheets are the customers, Your Lordship. The first 5 petitioners are the petitioners that read before this honorable court.
Rest of the others are customers?
Rest are the customers, Your Lordship. In the subsequent 9, 10.
And this is a case of POCSO, so even the customers would be hauled up. We will not apply that customers not to be bought under prostitution, because they're only customers in this case.
They are customers in all the 10 cases, Your Lordship.
Customers, all the 10 cases?
All 10 cases.
Face trials?
I'm not asking for I'm asking for a common trial.
Different customers?
Customers might be different, Your Lordship, but the allegation
against customers acts on different dates.
Time.
Crime registered on different dates. All 10 are sustainable.
Your Lordship, 4 crime numbers are registered on the same date.
Different customers, sir.
Customers
all of you have indulged in
but
forceful sex with a 15-year-old girl.
Your Lordship, what has happened is,
yes,
on 3rd February 2022, that is the first FIR. Subsequently, on 7th, that is 5 days later, she files
yes,
additional statements.
She says, this is the other man that has come to me.
Your Lordship, I may take the court to the FIR itself.
Sustain all the 10. Come on, merits, no problem.
Now, what has happened is, in that FIR itself, she says that she has missed out on mentioning the names of the customers.
Exactly.
Yeah.
No problem.
She misses out on that. Now, what the police or the authorities ought to have done is, Your Lordship, taken all the subsequent FIRs as the additional statements in the first FIR.
No problem.
And the subsequent customers arrayed as additional accused in the first FIR, Your Lordship. The allegation against me is the same in all 10.
Of course, the allegation will be the same.
All the same, because the only allegation against me is that I'm running a brothel and there is a criminal conspiracy. All these are continuing offense, Your Lordship, covered under section 220 of the CRP, clause 1 of the CRP, Your Lordship.
It is a Sringeri incident. It is based on the payments which they've made. All these people have made payments and then used this particular girl. If it is, that is the incident you're talking about, Sringeri,
No,
ಎಲ್ಲ
ಅದಲ್ಲ.
ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಇದು.
Yeah.
Chikmagalur.
ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರು ಅಥವಾ
Victim is from Chikmagalur, Lordship. The offense
Still-
occurred in Mangalore.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಂಗಳೂರು. Crime registered in
Women's Police Station, Dakshina Kannada,
police
Mangalore.
station. In some SMR apartment, Mangalore.
The date of the place of incident is also the same, Your Lordship.
Date of incident is not.
Date is not. The
You
sex
are all,
is,
you are all allegedly running a brothel in that apartment,
that is the
holding,
allegation.
holding a girl of 15 years.
The second victim, that is our number, respond number 4, Your Lordship.
Yes.
She gives 161 statement in the first FIR.
No problem.
Then what happens is,
Now
based on her,
You come on merits on 18th, yes.
yes, Your Lordship.
List the matter in the fresh matters list on 18th. Other note company,
Yes.
look into all the 10 FIRs
Yes.
and come.
It has 2 volumes, Your Lordship. It has all.
Only 2 volumes.
Yes. 10 FIRs, 10 charge sheets, 10.
I thought 10 volumes.
161 statements.
Yes.
Much obliged.